Well, hi, I'm Greg Clarke from Ray White at Mooloolaba, and welcome to 36 Carlisle Circuit in the beautiful downtown Mountain Creek location. Brightwater is the area. Great property for a downsizer, for moving from a large home, or a fabulous family starter package. It's a very pretty little home. Come and have a look with me, I'm sure you'll be surprised. What a great home. Open plan living, opens onto the alfresco barbecue area, great backyard to look out to. And what about the chef's kitchen, stone bench tops, gas cooktop, adjoining out to the alfresco barbecue area, great place to have fun with. Master bedroom. Ladies will be happy with this one. Huge walk-in wardrobe, lovely ensuite, plantation shutters, ducted air conditioning. It's fantastic. Two more generous bedrooms, both with built-ins and an excellent study area. And how good is this backyard? Alfresco dining area, superbly finished off, absolutely immaculate. Well, there you have it, 36 Carlisle Circuit in the beautiful Brightwater estate. Who wouldn't want to live in this house? Great for entertaining, great just for relaxing. Free television, including the surround sound, ducted air conditioning. I'm Greg Clarke, Ray White Mooloolaba. See you at the next inspection.